Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned about data transformation in Power BI Desktop. In this video, we will learn about Power Query Editor and its interface. Power Query Editor is a data transformation and preparation engine. You can connect with various data sources and fetch the required data. Let's get started. Power Query Editor opens in a separate window. It can be used to perform functions like data transformation. The left pane contains queries from collected data sources, which is available for selection, viewing, and shaping. The different tabs present are Home, Transform, Add Column, View, Tools, and Help. At center, the query editor preview is present. The data from selected query is displayed and available for transformation. Query settings pane on the right lists the query properties and applied steps. You can change the name of the query using the name text box. All the steps that you apply for data transformation will be listed here in the Applied Steps section. In the File menu, we have functions to apply changes and close the Power Query Editor. You can save your files using Save and Save As function. You have options and settings to make changes in your data source settings. The Home tab contains the common query tasks. It has Close and Apply, which allows you to close the Power Query Editor and apply the pending changes. New source allows you to import data from new sources. Recent sources function enables to manage and connect the recent sources. Enter data allows to manually enter data or paste it. We have data source settings and we have manage parameters. Manage parameters allows us to view and modify the parameters of the file in use. We have refresh preview and we have properties which allows you to modify the name and description of the selected query. We have advanced editor which allows you to view or modify the entire text of this query. Manage allows you to delete, duplicate and reference queries. Next is manage column section. It allows you to choose and remove columns from the table in the query. Reduce rows allows you to keep or remove rows from the query. You can sort the entries in ascending or descending order based on functions in the sort section. The transform section contains 5 different functions. Split is used to split a column into multiple columns. Group by is used to group rows of a table based on the values of the selected columns. The three remaining functions are use first row as headers, data type. By using data type, you can change the data type of selected column. And the last one is replace columns. Replace a specified value in a table. And that's it. In the next video, we will be continuing for the second part of Power Query Editor. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.